What's up, guys? I'm back again with another video, and today I'm back with a lacing tutorial video. So I'm doing the lacing tutorial for this I Am the Soloist Converse highs. I'm not really sure of I forgot the real name, like the official name for it, but I'm just doing it. I'm just gonna call it the Takahiromiyashita the Soloist Converse highs for right now. So when you first got these shoes, if you got these shoes, if you're like me, you're a little bit confused as to how you're gonna lace these shoes, because how the shoes come laced up with these leather laces on the top, you can't even put your feet in the shoes. So what I did at first was to completely remove the leather laces off the shoes, and it's gonna be in my box. And then I wear the rope laces in the bottom, just the rope laces without the leather laces on top, and I just wear it like that. But when I do wear it like that, it feels a little roomy, and I feel like my feet are gonna slip off. So I had to come up with an idea to lace these shoes up so that I can wear it comfortably. So what I did was, if you guys can see right here, I put the leather lacing through the first hole right here, through the second hole right here, third hole right here, fourth hole on the other side right here, and then I put it, there's going to be one protruding out here, and then one lace protruding out here. So I'm going to take this lace, put it through this hole, put it through the second hole on top, and then I'm going to take the lace that's coming out here, take it and put it through the hole right here, put it through the second hole on the top. I should be saying pause or something every time I say hole, but I'm just gonna let it go, man, and let it float, let it do its thing, because I'm just talking about shoes right here. But yeah, that's pretty much how I did it. You can also do it this way. It's gonna be the same thing for the bottom half, but you can put it through the first hole, like when the shoes are coming, the laces are coming out here through this hole. You can put it, oh wait, you guys can pretty much see what I did here, but you guys are gonna put it right here through this hole, and then it's gonna come out, you guys can see right here, it's gonna come out this hole right here, and then this lace is gonna go through here and then go through this hole, and it's gonna come out like that. And if you do it like that, you can easily slip your foot in. You guys can see right here that it has like a cushioning system on the back and everything, and it's very easy to put your foot in, not foot in. So it's very comfortable and everything. So that's how I figured out how to lace these up. If you guys know other ways to lace these up, definitely let me know in the comments below. I'm really fond of these shoes. I really like them and everything. Yeah, it's a very nice shoe in my opinion. I got it for under retail, so I'm very happy with it. I feel like it's not worth the $150 retail, but if you can get it on sale, definitely cop it. You can definitely put out some outfits with these. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope my English was pretty self-explanatory, because I'm not really a good explainer. But definitely let me know if I did well, and definitely hit the like button. Hit the like button if you enjoyed. And I'm also doing a giveaway today, so if you want to win these KVM stickers right here, definitely go on my Instagram, either Legend of Matisse or Life of Matisse. Actually, go on both, and follow me on Life of Matisse and Legend of Matisse. And just mention me, just DM me saying I want the KVM stickers, and like the first 2 people to comment on there, who comment, or who DMs me it's gonna win those stickers. So I'm just trying to give back to y'all. I'm not gonna give back anything crazy. I'm just giving all these Calvin stickers because pretty much I'm known to do Calvin videos. So I'm just gonna give us something very nice, something Calvin related. So I'm going to give you these Calvin stickers right here. If you guys didn't know, these are Calvin stickers. It peels off and you can stick it to your computer and everything. You guys can see right here. So before I was cut off, I was just trying to say that you do actually stick into the computer and everything. So you can definitely use these. So hope you guys enjoy this video. I really like these shoes, and hope you guys like this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next video. Spread peace, not hate.